Parts Pricing Review. There is more to pricing your parts than choosing a figure and entering it in MaxxTraxx. It is important to have consistent pricing that reaches your shop's profit goals and is affordable to your customers so you don't lose jobs to other shops. MaxxTraxx makes it easy to create a price matrix and set up variable pricing levels. Knowing what the pricing terms represent and how they affect in pricing is an important step in setting up those levels. If you're unfamiliar with how a price matrix works, please watch our training video titled Setting Up a Parts Price Matrix. Let's look at a part and review what the various pricing terms mean. Once the part has been selected, we'll go to the Pricing tab at the left of the window. This step is also available when entering a new part number. We paid $29.85 for these brake pads, and they have a suggested retail price of $44.45. If we want our shop to maintain a 50% profit margin on most parts, our price level A of $59.70 gives us that 50% profit margin. Profit margin is defined as the percentage of the sale price that is profit. For those of you that like math, it's the equation profit margin percentage equals net profit divided by sales price times 100. Note the determining factor for this price level is the profit margin signified by the red triangle. The mark up and down column is the difference between the sale price and the list price. In this instance, a 50% profit margin gives us a 34.31% markup over the suggested retail price of $44.45. Remember that markup is over list price, not the cost. The cost multiplier column is taking the base cost of the part and multiplying it times this number. In other words, 2 times our cost of $29.85 is $59.70. And of course, the profit column is the amount of profit we are making on the part. Looking at price level B, that is the suggested list price of $44.45. The determining factor is the markup down from the suggested list price of 0%. The price nets us a profit margin of 32.85% or a cost multiplier of 1.49. Profit on the part is $14.60. For price level C, we show a 10% discount off the suggested retail price. This gives us a sale price of $40.01 with a 25.39% profit margin. Note that the profit on the part is now down to $10.16. By cutting our profit margin from 50% to roughly 25%, we have decreased our profit substantially. The determining factor is the mark down from retail price. Maybe you have a specific client that brings you a lot of work and you sell them parts at a substantial discount, something like 15% over cost. Price level D would reflect that price by using the cost multiplier field at 1.15 or 115% of cost. This is a 22.77% discount off suggested retail and a profit of only $4.48 on the part. You can see how widely the profit level varies with each adjustment in sale price. It is important to know what most basic parts sell for in your region and have a pricing strategy that maintains profitability without overpricing and losing jobs. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.